hello, welcome to my channel Anu's Tricks. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.
Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Anu's Tricks. Today in this video I am going to show you a all-time favorite breakfast recipe for all age groups. Guess what? Yeah, you got it. It's dosha. So dosha is the South Indians daily breakfast recipe. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare dosha batter and a simple plain dosha that we usually see in the hotels. Without getting late, let's go into the procedure. So before that, if anyone is not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start the process. First take a bowl and add 2 glasses of rice. You can take any size glass. So here I am taking this much size glass. From this I am taking 2 glasses of rice. So see here I will show you. For 2 cups of rice, 3/4 cup of the urad dal you have to take. This is the ratio you have to follow for preparing batter. So here I have taken 3/4 cup of urad dal for 2 cups of rice. So after adding urad dal, we have to add 1/4 spoon of methi seeds. So methi seeds is optional. It is used, methi seeds are used for getting color. So here I am taking 1/4 spoon of methi seeds. So after taking this, wash well, add adequate water and soak it for 6 to 7 hours. I have added adequate water and will soak for 6 to 7 hours. It's better to soak in the afternoon and grind at the night so that the night fermented batter will taste better than the morning fermented. Add half cup boiled rice to the water and soak it for 6 to 7 hours. So you can add the boiled rice while grinding also. I have soaked the rice for 7 hours. Now I am going to grind it. So if grinder is available, you can transfer the entire soaked rice into the grinder. If grinder is not available, we have to do in the mixer jar. So I am transferring it into the mixer jar. Now I am transferring the rice into the mixer jar. Don't add too much water. The batter should be somewhat thick. So that if the batter is thick, we can use the same batter for idli making also. So now add a little bit of water. Now we will grind it. Once we will check, I have grinded it for 2 minutes. So we find some granules like things. So we have to make the batter smoothly. So we will grind it again. Now we have grinded it softly. See the consistency, it should be like this. Not so thick and not so watery. It should be like this consistency. Now we will transfer it into the bowl. Like this, grind entire soaked rice. Now I have grinded all my soaked rice. Now I am mixing it. You have to mix it well. I have mixed the batter well and let it ferment for overnight. When the batter gets fermented, it becomes almost all double of its quantity. So take a bigger bowl. And in winters, the batter won't get ferment fastly. So we have to add a half spoon of baking soda so that the batter will ferment fastly. Ferment it for overnight.
See the batter after fermenting for overnight, it became double of its quantity.
Don't mix entire batter. Take into another bowl as per your requirement and remaining keep it in the fridge. Here I am taking some portion of the batter as per my requirement into another bowl. Now add 1/4 spoon of salt. If the quantity is more, you can add half spoon of salt. Now add a pinch of baking soda. Now add some water and mix it well. The batter should be of this consistency. Keep the dosha pan on the stove and let it heat for 2 minutes. Use separate pans for dosha and chapati. Don't mix both the pans. If dosha is sticking to the pan, then follow this tip. Take an onion, cut it from the side like this. Pour 1/2 spoon of oil and then with the onion rub it over the pan so that the dosha won't stick to the pan. Follow this tip, you will get the nice dosha without sticking to the pan. Rub it all over the surface. Pan is heated. Now we will pour the dosha. Take dosha batter like this. If the spoon is big, you can take 1 spoon, otherwise you take 2 spoons if it is small. After pouring the batter, keep it in the low flame. And spread the dosha over the pan in circular motion. After spreading, add some oil over the dosha and turn on the flame to medium. Let it cook. Dosha is the entire thing is cooked, so turn the dosha to the other side. So it will automatically comes from the pan, see, without any pressure. So turn to the other side. See the color of the dosha. The nice color is because of the adding of methi and cooked rice. So keep it in other side for 2 minutes and then other side is also cooked. So now fold the dosha and take it into the plate. Now our dosha is ready. Serve it with chutney and sambar. Let's have a look at the dosha how it came. So see how crispy, nice, tendering. Have a taste.
Now I have shown you how to prepare the dosha batter in a simple and easy way, and please follow the tips while you are trying the dosha. So comment me in the comment section how you got the dosha after trying it. In the next coming videos, I am going to show you how to make varieties of dosha and varieties of chutneys and sambar recipes. If you don't want to miss the recipes, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching my channel, and I will meet you with an interesting video. Until then, stay tuned to my channel and bye bye.